I'm not even in yet, so this might not even be an issue. Mom. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have gone behind your back. It's not like I'm definitely going to New York. Mom. Mom! Aren't you at least, like, a little proud of me that I'm this close to getting in? Just a little? I mean, I know it was probably easier with less people applying because of 9/11 and terrorism and all, but still though. I'm sorry. I know I can lie and not be a good person. But, Mom, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. I'm ungrateful and I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I wanted more. Talk to me. Mom! Mom, please talk to me. I know, I'm so bad. Just please.